Hi, I'm Larry. Welcome to my railroad. This railroad is about 3 years old and contains about 4,000 feet of track. It's mostly prototypical for Europe and Germany, but I do have some American prototype on it. So it's a little mix of everything. It's still, as you can see, under construction. It's a complete DCC controlled layout. It runs on the ecosystem, and it still has about 5 main lines on it, so you can run 5 trains at the same time. And it has a number of yards. You can see it has three here, another one up on the high line over here, and then it has a large yard down at the far end. And it's a combination of passenger and freight. And we even have some subway cars from MTH. And like I said, it's still under construction. We have a lot of work to do. We've done a lot of work. It's always changing, rerouting things, making things a little more easier to run. The locomotive power is a lot of Roco, Pico, Trix, and that's really it for the foreign stuff. And the US stuff is a lot of Atlas and MTH. So enjoy the layout. This is the first video we've ever taken of it. So we're excited to get it up on YouTube and see what the feedback is from people. Thank you. Come around, I'll have this one make an announcement.